Hi, Angus from Knowledge Mappers here once again, and in this short demonstration video I'm going to show you the Countries of the World Templates Atlas A to Z layout map. This demonstration is taking place in the Mine Manager software environment. This is Mine Manager 15, but if you check the product page on the website, you'll see what alternative formats this map may be available in. What I'm going to do with this demonstration is walk you through the map contents, then look at the various marker groups, index marker groups that come with the map, and then finally briefly look at a couple of related maps that will be complementary to this one. So this is the Countries of the World Templates Atlas A to Z layout map. This is a definitive template atlas map of the countries of the world, as defined by ISO 316 Part 1, the international standard, and arranged alphabetically A to Z, as you can see. With over 280 branches hyperlinked to the relevant country page in Wikipedia, this map provides the basic geographic framework to users to create their own country-based maps, saving them hours in the process. Associated text marker and flag icon groups based in the regions, sub-regions and countries enable branches to be geo-filtered accordingly. They also enable users to geo-tag and of course geo-filter branches on any existing maps by simply copying and adding them to the marker index of the map they want. So looking at further, the usual thing, our central topic has all the map metadata as a topic note. There's also a hyperlink through to the topic page on the KnowledgeMappers.com website. Getting into the main content of the map, you'll see from the legend bar here that we've got a single topic for each country that contains all the contents of the ISO standard. So we have the country short name in English in brackets, followed by the 2-letter code, the 3-letter code, and the 3-number code for the country, followed finally by the full name, country full name in English as well. You'll see the colour of the branch box denotes the country's legal status. So most countries are sovereign states, but a lot of them, quite a lot, are dependent territories or states in association with other states or whatever, various things, and these are the grey branches with in italics. With these branches there is a note attached to the branch which will tell you exactly what the relationship is. Branches are also tagged by the markers, and we'll come on to that in a second. So, single hyperlink on the branch through to the country page on Wikipedia, which is a very good place to start your journey into finding out about countries, and gives any map context. Any map you add these branches to, you'll have an instant source of information to at least put country-based information into context. Just point out on the Wikipedia country page, the fact box at the top right hand corner of the page gives you all the facts and figures you might be interested in as a quick reference point. Same too here with the Islands, and as we can see, dependent territory, and it is in fact a neutral and demilitarized autonomous region of Finland. So that's the main content of the map. Country branches arranged A to Z as a source, and to be copied as a template map, to be copied and pasted to other maps, or use the map, a copy of this map, to do your own country-based information map with. So moving on to our index markers that come with the map. See, there are 3 groups of markers. Oh, and incidentally, you can just to remind people that you can show and hide the tags in the view topic here in Mine Manager. so you can turn them off and on. It's either all off or all on. So our three marker groups, we have the UN macro geographic region, the sub-region, and then finally we've created a group of marker tags of the country with the short name of the country followed by all the various code letters. Also, we've created an icon-based group with the icons being the flags of the countries. Now, as I pointed out previously, the image in the map branches is in fact a topic image embedded in the topic, not an icon, but we could use icons as well if we tag the branch with them. The only problem in My Manager is the icons are quite small and you can't control the size of that. That's the size they are. Can't make them any bigger. So it gives you the flexibility because you've got the embedded image as well, or if you wanted the smaller one, you could use the icons. So those three text marker groups and the icon group come with the map. And I'll give you a couple of demonstrations of how this could be used. So, scenario as you're a sales manager and you're responsible for the Europe, Africa and Middle East region. Well, we can show just these countries on the map by using the power filter in My Manager. So you're interested in, what did we say, Europe, Africa. Well, the Middle East is not a region in its own right, it's a sub-region. And in UN speak, it's not called the Middle East, it's actually Western Asia. So let's do a filter of the map, just showing those, and here we see just the countries of Europe, Africa and Middle East, and we could either work with them on this map, or we could send them to a new linked map, and we could save that map and work with that. But we're not going to do that right now. The other thing we can do is, as I said, we've got the topic, the dependent territory countries here, also tagged with the country of themselves, but they're also tagged with the country tag of the dependent state, or the state they are dependent on. So we could show, for example, let's look at United Kingdom and its dependent states and territories. Let's remove the previous filter elements here and just show matching topics. And there we have, there's United Kingdom there, but here are all the dependent territories and crown dependencies and various things. Antarctica here is not a dependent territory, but the United Kingdom is a signatory of the Antarctic Treaty, so that's why that's there. But anyway, that gives you an idea of the power of the My Manager filtering and the actual geotagging. One last thing about the filters is, just as in any other My Manager map, these are portable. I can copy and paste it between maps. So we'll paste marker group. Here we have text markers which can be used in a new map, or indeed it can be pasted into an existing map and used, and then you can geo-filter, tag the branches and do some geo-filtering as we've demonstrated on this map if you wanted. So no, we don't want to change that. So finally in this demonstration I'm going to show you a couple of related maps. As said at the start, this is a template map, so we've only got one branch per country, and it's also arranged A to Z. So the couple of variations on those two variables, then we also have maps that are a geographic layout. So we've done the filtering and arranged it accordingly, sort of pseudo geographic style like we'd see on a world map. So we've got the Americas over here, and Europe, Africa, Asia and Oceania on our right side, with the UN macro region, the sub-region, and then the countries arranged alphabetically within that sub-region. So again, it just gives you a variation, and there are some scenarios where the A to Z layout is better, and some scenarios where having this sort of pseudo-geographic layout would be better. Also, as I said, that was a template map. We also have research atlases. So where we have got over links, sub-branches on the country branch with links to over 16 different websites, which will give you information on the country. So tried and trusted resources. So here's the BBC News profile, for example, of Honduras. And also another very good one is the CIA World Factbook, which has got a lot of information, including economic statistics. So these would be, I could use these in conjunction, complementary to our A to Z layout we have here. So that concludes this demonstration of the Countries of the World A to Z Template Atlas, and look forward to seeing you again next time.